Are you stuck? Good, Katie. AJ, you're going to slip off of that. Okay? Katie, okay?
Help me.
I will. I want you to come with me over here, and I want to build a little snowman for us, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I love that snowman.
AJ, sit with Katie there again. And take a picture this time.
Whoa. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now turn around. AJ, sit down, please. And here we are.
Whoa.
Oh,
So ice.
can you look at me, AJ, now? Good job, Caitlin.
Hi.
Can you say hi to the family back home?
Hi.
AJ, don't throw it on her, please. You can play with it, but don't throw it.
Don't put it in my nose.
Why not, Katie? What will happen?